What's going on, everybody? I thought I know this isn't nothing I usually do, but I thought I'd try it. I thought I'd go try and see if I can build a newer Silverado. I thought it'd be kind of fun. Not to have any interest in the newer vehicles, but I thought it'd be kind of interesting for a video. And oh hell, ooh, Corvette, not looking too bad. But I thought I would give it a shot. It's way different than what I usually do, and why would I want an Equinox? But alright, I thought it'd be kind of fun. I think I would try building a Silverado, maybe a Ram, and then a Ford later. But let's get to it. Nah, I don't need to build a Colorado. Let's see what the Silverado is like. No, I don't want you to text me. And nothing's loading. Try a 2500 heavy dog. And that's not looking too bad. ZR2 starting at, I do not want you to quote me, 45,000 each. Can buy a lot of used trucks for that. The specs aren't looking too bad, but I don't need I don't need the headache of the payment on that. Alright, buy and build. Let's see. Do I want a 3/4 ton or a 1 ton? I do 3/4. Wish I could build a half ton, but sometimes for some reason the website's not working. Regular cab, long bed. Do I want? See what a crew cab long bed looks like. Oh yeah, really narrowing those corners down. Box like 98 inches. 82. Do standard bed. That looks kind of good. Yeah, I don't need no long bed. Model 4-wheel drive standard. WT. Get the LTZ, just like the 2012 Silverado. Dude, I could do a high country. You know what? Let's do a high country. Ooh, red looking pretty good. Dude, blue. I could do black as well. What would black look like? Ooh, it's not looking too bad. You know what? I'll do black. Or do I want blue? Yeah, blue. 20-inch high glass. Added. Oh, it's a Z71 off-road one. Yeah, sure. Change the high country. Ooh, I kind of like that. Black and blue. Interior doesn't look too bad. Probably got more fancy amenities than I'm used to. What do I want the polished? I'll do 22s. Yeah, I'll do 22s look like. Removed. Well, let's put the stock ones back on. Bringing back my blue color. Alright. Midnight edition. No, it's fine. I don't need it. It's good the way it is. I don't know if I want to look through all these. Ooh, black bow tie. That's going to be the midnight edition, ain't it? Oh, no. Performance. Let's skip to performance. Hill descent. Diesel exhaust brake. Do I even get to pick a motor for this thing? I probably said that. I just never looked. Diesel exhaust brake. Is adding the L5P, I believe. Yeah. You know what? Boom. We're getting a diesel now. We are getting a diesel, boys. But yeah, that's the Silverado. So I'm ready. I'm now finally on RAM. Ooh, 2,500. 1 ton chassis cap. Should I just say the heck with it and just build a van? No, we're building pickups today. Let's build a... You know what? Do I want to build a 3/4? Do I want to build a 3/4 ton? Or a half ton, since I wasn't able to with the Chevy. Let's keep the trend going. Let's do 3/4 ton. That's not look too bad. Build. Starting at 45,000, not for long. So we keep going up from here. Laramie, Tradesman, Bighorn, Rebel. Oh, dude. I've always wanted a Power Wagon, but damn, I've always wanted a Power Wagon. Starting out at 72,000. Ouch. Limited. Not too far from the limited. I'll build a Power Wagon. I better be able to put a Hemi in it. Ooh, not bad, not bad. That's a big screen, too. Plenty of room in the back seat. I love that red stitching. That twin turbo i6 had more. That Hurricane or whatever it was called. You know what? We wanted a Hemi, we're getting a Hemi. Transmission 8-speed. 8-speed, not bad. Trailer, camera wiring. Fine. Dual alternators, sure. Engine block heater might as well. Live up in the salt state so it gets cooled. Electronic module, rear backup alarm. Beep, beep, beep. Alright, what's our summary? Ooh, I need to change the color and I like it. Can I change red and black? Like, dude, no, that's it. That's right. I like that. Comes with the 6.4 Hemi. That's gonna have that cross injection thing with the 16 spark plugs, I think it is, instead of 8, but not too shabby. The red and black looks kind of sharp. You know what? I can dig it. I can dig it. We getting a Hemi here, boys. Alright, now let's... Alright. I'm on Ford's website. Let's see if we can go build an F-250. Pulley pricing. I don't care. Let's go find trucks. There's a Maverick, Ranger, F-150, Super Duty, Lightning, no electric trucks here. Super Duty, let's get it. Ooh, I kind of like that. 48 years. 20,000 pounds towing capacity. Heh, gotta have the four-wheeler in the back. Gotta have the old quad. Alright, build and price. Let's get it. Oh, start my build. I was trying to click on it. There for a minute, I thought I was like, nope. You know this. They know this is out of your budget. All right. Whoa. Oh, that's right. They brought 7.3 back for that V8 gas engine. You know what? I'm gonna do a 6.7. Get that 6.7 turbo diesel. Be cool if I could use a 7.3 Power Stroke. Snowplow prep packages. I kind of like the wheels are ready. Tires are good. Running boards. Moonroof. Good exhaust, brake. Nah, knock it off. Dang it, Ford. Bed hooks, sure. Mud flaps. No, I'll do dual alternators. No, I'm fine. Wow, really did the simplest stuff. You know what? I kind of like. I can dig that. Oh, the summary. Where are you? There's the F250 Platinum I just built. Now let me know which one y'all like more. Do you like the Silverado, Ram, or the Ford? Yeah, this is something different I wanted to try. Been speculating on something else I could do till I go get the diesel home. But no, this is something different I wanted to try to do. I saw you could build them on their website, so I was like, you know what? I could probably try a video on that since it's something different. Usually I'm always outside adding a mod or doing a repair, but yeah, just let me know what y'all like more out of the 3 trucks. Pretty basic building, I guess, but nothing too outrageous. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.